Discover the secrets to boost productivity, stay organized, and help create a peaceful home right from the moment you wake up. Start your day early in order to maximize productivity. Waking up early gives you a head start to the day and allows you to accomplish more things before the day starts to get busy. In addition, you get a little bit more focus if you do this before the rest of the household wakes up, as the house tends to be a little bit more quiet, thus creating the perfect arena for focus and concentration. Depending on what you have to do each morning, aim for 30 minutes to an hour before the household wakes up. Another way to have a super productive morning is by making your bed. There's a saying that goes, if you want to change the world, start by making your bed. When you begin your day by making your bed, this serves as a small accomplishment that will snowball into productivity for the rest of the day. This is a goal that is quite small but makes a massive difference. Not only it will help your room to look more tidy, but it also sets a positive tone for the rest of the day, cementing in your mind that anything is possible. It also helps to contribute to a sense of order and calm for the rest of your day. If you want to be super productive in the morning, be sure that you are hydrating. Drinking a glass of water as soon as you wake up is crucial after a night's sleep. It helps to kickstart your metabolism, thus energizing you for a productive day. Make sure that you have a large glass of water as soon as you wake up. Hydration is critical for us to function properly as human beings, so be sure to drink a glass of water as soon as you wake up. Another way to have a super productive morning is by having a healthy breakfast. Set yourself up for success by feeding your body the nutrients it needs. Preparing a nutritious breakfast helps to fuel the body with its adequate nutrition for you and your loved ones. Opt for balanced, protein-filled options to help keep you full and give you more energy throughout the day. A healthy breakfast sets the stage for a productive day by helping to provide you with sustained energy. Of course, you're more than welcome to wait until your family arises to have this breakfast. In fact, I recommend it. But in case you do like to have the solo breakfast, this also applies as well. Before your family arises, be sure to take a few minutes to plan your day. Review anything you might have done the night before or start afresh if it's your first time doing this. Set your day in order of priorities and do not overbook yourself. Just taking a couple of minutes to organize the day's tasks and priorities in your to-do list will help you massively have a productive day, because now you will know what you need to do and when you need to do it. Organize your chores, errands, and any other activities you may have. This not only helps you to stay focused, but can help you manage your time effectively as well. Take some time in the morning to have a quick exercise routine for maximum productivity. Incorporating a short physical activity early in the morning helps to boost your mood, energy levels, and overall health and well-being. Whether it's stretching, a brief walk, or a quick exercise video, incorporating this practice will set you up for a more productive day and a healthier life. Next up, make sure you're getting ready for the day. Getting dressed for success as well as practicing your morning skincare routine have been proven to boost your productivity levels throughout the day. When we get dressed for the day, we feel like we can be ready for anything, because that is one less thing we have to worry about. If God forbid there's an emergency and we need to leave quickly, we are already dressed. In addition, a simple skincare morning routine will help you to feel refreshed and handle your day with confidence. So be sure that bright and early you're getting dressed to shoes, and that includes light hair and makeup if you use this. Next, let's tackle some household duties. If there's any household chores that you're fully in charge of and need to concentrate, be sure to do it now. Yes, it's great for the children to watch us clean up our household. In fact, I do this all the time and they even help me. However, there are these certain tasks that we can only do when we have full concentration. For me, it's planning and desk day. I plan my week, my meals, clean my fridge, budget, etc. For you, it might be different. Be sure to think about what these tasks are that you can only do with full concentration, and be sure to do it now. Alternatively, if you have a super young baby and you do need to get these household chores out of the way, try to knock it out now. In fact, there are some things that could be done before your family gets up to make for a seamless morning, like unloading the dishwasher. If you have a dishwasher but the chore belongs to one of your children, then make sure that that child is also waking up at an adequate time to do this, so there are no breakfast dishes left in the sink. Having a clean and organized space helps to reduce stress. So if there was anything that was left undone the night before, be sure you take a couple of minutes now to do it. Not only will this help you to focus on the other task at hand, but it will help to make things easier to manage throughout the day. And moving forward, be sure to add this to your evening routine. Next up, we're gonna set a daily intention. Reflect on what you want to achieve and how you want to feel throughout the day. You might even like having a quote or phrase for the day. Setting a positive intention can help guide your actions as well as keep you motivated. We can just reflect on this intention to help. It could be things like give yourself grace, choose joy, forward and onward, whatever works best for you. Anything that will help you get through the day's twists and turns and help you to focus to keep back on track. Allocate some time in the morning to focus on something that nurtures your well-being, such as reading, praying, or enjoying a quiet cup of a warm and soothing beverage. Prioritizing self-care ensures that you start your day balanced and centered. Besides, you cannot pour from an empty cup, so doing this is absolutely crucial. But if you want even more productive homemaking tips, then check out this video here where I talk all about it, and I'll meet you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.